record label facilities, studios, offices, the whole nine. But the belly of the beast,
Yeah, man.
is where the real dough is gonna come in. Yeah, that's what we'll call it, Rhino. The belly of the beast.
Yeah, man.
Look at this, Rhino. I'm gonna have my bitches over here. A little gambling over here. And that is gonna be the weapon room. You in charge of the weapon room.
Yeah, man. That's my specialty.
You've been loyal to me, Rhino. And I know you would die for me. That's why I'm sending you to Jamaica to link up with Crown. Report back to me.
Yeah, man.
Now let's take care of these niggas. Did I hear you say fuck big, little nigga? No, I didn't hear you. Fuck bigs. So you little niggas think y'all run the street, huh?
I'm just saying, cuz. Ain't nobody took no money from you.
Oh, I think y'all did. But since y'all want to play these childish games and keep these little secrets, I'm gonna have to do what I gotta do to persuade y'all.
Come on, up against the wall.
I'm gonna show y'all motherfuckers that you don't fuck with Big's money and get away with it. Take that motherfucker out.
Go down on your knee. Open your mouth. Fuck you. Open the bumper club mouth. Fuck you.
None of them can rob from us again.
This is what happens when you betray Biggs. Rhino,
Yes, boss.
bust a cap in that nigga ass.
Bullshit, man. What the fuck I do?
Rhino, glad you
killed them snitch motherfuckers, nigga. That's what the fuck you supposed to do, snitch ass nigga. Yeah.
You was gonna kill them motherfuckers anyway.
That's why I should spare your lives. Look, I gonna spare your lives, but you shall belongs to me. What me say? Look, when I split, you just get out of here. Understand me?
Nigga, do not tell me. Let's get the fuck up out this motherfucker.
You know, let's do this motherfucker, baby.
I do pounds, jump up to get beat down. Let them over flossing, regulating the town. Money ain't a thing, we have our feet on the ground. Ladies gather around.
Yes.
My own up in me house, just the money when me want. Ready to blast the enemies as them advance. Blasted from Jamaica to Long Beach North. Smoking marijuana, sign in autograph. Food, profess, bad mischief, up a laugh. One like them tough when we check it, them soft. Fuck with God, man, you get your damn head cut off. Your tongue so 45 a bar. Sugar in buses, and a piece and what? Yo, Snoop Dogg, you don't cry.
Now, first things first, I need to kick this off. I got some shit on my chest. I need to get this off. Big dog, yes, yo, you can call me the boss. Gang bang, do that thing and make my niggas see walk. Now, talk to me for a second. Holla at your diss off. We can smoke a little weed and break a few bars. Shoot up the place or play it cool on the wall. It really don't matter, cause I'm down for it all. Yes, y'all. The north side is bitch. And the music meant we about them chips. Dip, y'all. In the house, so put your guns in the air and put this in your mouth. I turn it out no matter where I'm at. And that's an actual fact. Blunts back to back, and I'm keeping it real. Eating meals in the hills. Big fat deals. Driving brand new trucks with them big fat wheels. Making hits out the house. Motherfuck some reels. My life's so plush. My dreams fulfilled.
Big dogs rockin'. Dogs are in the house. With your hands in the air like you just don't care. Dogs are here, you have some fear. Big dogs rockin'.
So shy,
The dogs are in the house.
so funky, so quick and so fast.
You just don't care. The dogs are here, so you best beware.
I stepped up in a joint full of diamonds glistening. Haters is mean mugging, and the honeys is listening. They want to stare hard.
Yeah, man. Bless. Wow.
Blessed.
That's wise, man. Wow.
Yes, Crown.
Yes, Father. Wow, wise man.
Yes, you know, observing the situation and everything.
You're the wise man, you know. Anything you have to say, I'm here to listen. You see it all years.
The right things now move right now. Without everyone killing each other, you know, turning upon each other. It's not the right way.
Wagwan is not really a violence. It's just a man do what they call it now. A bounty hunter job, you know. I get rid of all of the bad, see them, and I sow some good seed.
Farmer time.
Yes, man.
Never the way there. And we know, say, there's a wrong way and a right way to do everything.
The wise man in his time could spread love throughout the world. In these times, there's a lot of guns and bombs, and there's a lot of troublemakers. We need to get rid of. So, Rhino, did I enjoy the flight? Coming over here.
I tell you, Crown, the flight was off the hook.
Well, that jet, I have Louis Vuitton himself, you know, cut up a lot of purse, you know, to get that jet the right and proper way still. I hope you enjoy the flight.
As I said, wonderful, man.
Well, let's just cut to the chase and get to business now. Biggs gave a call last night until I said, I must send the eye. Come here to negotiate the price for I and I stuff. So, I and I would want to know how much Biggs decide to pay, you know, for I and I stuff per key.
Well, right now, we're paying 11.
I know that.
And I think that paying 9 would be fair.
9.
We also have a connection where things move through custom with ease in 5 major cities.
You think about him price, Gargon?
How much him say?
But you don't know the price I live in. And them say them have contact through US custom and through 5 major cities. You know our organization. At 2 cities we have New York and Miami. So when them say 5 cities, that means them control our city too. And them have LA, them have San Francisco, them have Vegas.
I don't business about the major cities and them connection. It's blood clot, money I deal with.
Well, for your comfort then, why you just don't send out a mule and test the fields?
Night, my people. Chat about. This is MC Buckwild, your bossy MC. I'm about to introduce to you a brother was say, he might go get big, you know, big just as Bob Marley. Well, we'll see about that, nah? Anyway, DJ Julius, I want to give it up for the brother. Give it up for the brother.
Watch me now. Who would ever think 1 time boy would be a 2-time king? Take all my money, turn it in a real things. Yo, we wicked man, no carry sing, and we no shrink, and we no wear fast things. Hey, who would ever think 1 time boy would be a 2-time king? Take all my money, turn it in a real things. Yo, hey, we have mad dreams about mad criminal in the magazine, doing mad things with girls better than Marilyn.
MC Bakwa.
Listen, father.
Yeah, yes, kid. First of all, I want to introduce you to my business associate from LA, Rhino. The Ras, you know, best. So the artists they were there on stage.
Yeah, man, I'm Virgin, man.
Are you Virgin?
Isn't it?
Yeah. So I go and tell me some details about him.
That little local talent about the place, you know? Yeah. What I must say, more pursue a music career in America. But, you know, it look kind of sticky still. You know? And them said that good a day if not happen, you know?
I feel I can't find a spot for you, you know?
But I love that for real. But I love that.
Yeah, where you are going to do now? You come check me the other week with the details. You know, passport is no problem because I'm Jamaican immigration.
You see it?
You see me I say? So everything, Chris. See, so just go and enjoy the party, man. Strong night. I say going to Jamaica, you know, right now at this time. You have a prison record, you can get a police record. See what I say? So right now, you don't need a prison record or a police record, you need a record.
I will give you a link on the big money, top money. You don't know about quite list with all links. You get me?
I want to know one thing, you know. So I'm not sure so the link hard, you know.
Yeah, man, cool, man, have link on passport, visa, birth paper, everything.
But I them want to start.
The big man come give a link, you see it?
Since everything, Chris.
Yeah, man, everything nice,
so everything
man.
is alright about the big man.
Yeah, man.
Go through then, no?
See, he asked me that say. The big man, you know, everything. You see me? Just bless it.
Yeah, so yeah, I need.
Buckwild, my name still Julius, you see me? Virgin, I can't come introduce to him.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So you say Virgin Chris?
Yeah, man, Chris, man. Chris, man.
Come.
Yeah, man. Come.
Yo, let him.
Yo, I remember say I'm my link this.
Yes, big man. Virgin, this is what I tell you about, you know?
So you want to go for it?
Yeah, you know, do some music thing.
Pussy. Kiss me shoes. Kiss me shoes.
I kind of think this time.
The Gargon speak, no answer.
My yard. Me have my gun behind me. See, anytime it come round, anyhow you know kiss my blood-clad shoes. Mum is the world. Parapinta plays the game, but are your last one. Kiss my shoes. Kiss it like how you kiss your girl. Pussy.
I find someone or two, boy.
You're nearly brave. I can get you anything you want. Anything where me can do, no man else can do it. If me say your criminal record that disappear, it will disappear. Here, one man. So when you leave your Thursday, when you reach the airport, you're going to see a youth in a red shirt. Him will take it to Ras Biggs. Give Ras Biggs what I give you, and him will take care of everything. But I'll tell you one thing. You can't take the heat. Don't come in at the blood-clad kitchen. And you don't know if you bake bread. Stay far from blood-clad oven. You hear that? Hello, sir. Take them for the ends and see that them all right.
Respect, boss.
Boom. Beautiful day. Wonderful. That's what your big son going to do. Going to America to pursue my music career.
Where did all this come from?
I'm going to shoot me down flat like that. I mean where all this come from. My big producer saw me perform, like my performance, and it's going to get me a visa and my passport so I can go out.
Calm down, son. You know I've always wanted the best for you. But this just doesn't sound right.
No, Mom, in the entertainment thing, that's how things go. 1 minute you're done, next minute opportunity, you just have to flow with it.
But this just doesn't feel right.
It don't feel right, Mom. You just have suspicion because of the little... Mom, I tell you, I'm finished with the crime thing now. Pursuing my music. Why, you don't believe in me?
Of course I believe in your son. Everything is happening so fast, son.
For you, for us who can live better, is what I'm saying. I need the blessings when I'm going out there.
So if this is what you really want, you have my blessings.
This work out, everything alright for both of you. You know what I'm saying? You know I love
So when do you leave, son?
Tomorrow, so I have to start.
Tomorrow?
So I have to start packing.
So fast?
Yes, oh God. So I'm going to start packing, alright?
Yo, Biggs, I need to talk to you right away.
Not now, Rhino. Can't you see I'm busy? Big 6 on you, motherfuckers.
What I have to talk to you about is way more important than just a bullshit domino game. Check this. I just got back from Jamaica where I set up a hell of a deal for you.
Maybe you didn't hear me. I said I'm busy. And you don't tell me what's important. You got that? I said you got that.
Whatever you say.
Get out of here before you piss me off.
Mm-hmm.
Get over to the restaurant and open it right now. And tell Lorenz to get his ass over there now.
God, Hart, you gotta promise that you're not gonna kill me. Alright?
Get up.
You gotta promise you ain't gonna kill me now. They fucking robbed us! They killed my whole crew.
Who killed them?
I don't know. These motherfuckers from Ohio, man. I don't know who they were, man. I got a crew working on it. But they killed all my boys. They killed Smoke. They killed Cedric, Papa, BB. They killed all of them, man.
I bet it was those Mexicans.
I don't think it was the Lopez brothers. I don't think it was them. That makes sense. I mean,
well, it got to be some of them associates because they still mad at us for driving them out of downtown.
Well, whoever it is, there's going to be some repercussions and consequences. Now sit the fuck down.
Look, boss, you got promise. You ain't gonna kill me now. I mean, you gotta understand. I got kids. My home is in foreclosure. My wife. She's cheating on me. My wife is cheating on me with another woman at work and stuff. My life, man. I'm going through some shit. These niggas robbed me. I told them don't mess with Biggs. I told them motherfuckers don't mess with Biggs. You don't mess with Biggs. Everybody don't have to mess with you, man. These motherfuckers out there doing it anyway. That's what I was. Oh God, please don't kill me.
So you just need to calm down. Look, you need something to drink?
Yeah. I could use a little water would hurt.
Well, now, that depends on who's serving it. Get your ass up. Cousins or no cousins? When it comes to my money, I don't play. You got 36 hours to either get me my money or bring me the motherfuckers who took it.
Welcome to U.S. Customs. Please have your passport ready for the next customs officer.
I'll take this one. Yo, you looking for me?
Who the fuck are you?
Yo, Dread. Your name Julius? Yeah, man. Come, let me show you what America is all about.
See the policeman gun and can't grab it. And the police never hesitate to make him have it. And him little ratchet pan inside him gonna pull it. Bout him a boy we used to fight from bullet. Drop on the ground.
Bomboclat. Building, yeah, man, look for press. Yo, America is alright. Yeah, man. You haven't seen shit yet. Hello?
Yo, driver. You got a mule?
Yeah, man.
You have the bag?
Yeah, man.
Good. Bring him here now, man. At once.
Yes, boss. Everything alright? Yeah, man. The boss wants to see you at once. Who, Biggs? No. Biggs is the top dog. I report to Rhino. He's a Jamaican, you know? Yeah? Yeah. But he don't take shit from no man. Trust me, no one. Yeah. Julius in town. Call out the helicopters, lock up your daughters. Road boys in town.
All right, file these papers for me, please. Okay. Hey, Star, what on?
Hey, boss. This is Julius.
Wham, you like what you see?
Yeah, man.
Well, there's plenty of time for that. But deal with this now. Do you have something for me? Good. Good. You have done well. Does that make you nervous?
No, man.
Well, all right. So what are your plans while you're here?
Well, I just want to finish my CD, you know. You see, bust the place like Bob Marley.
So you expect to make it in America without no money? Well, look. I have a job for you, you know. And you say he's a gunman.
No, man. That was a long time ago, you know?
But from once you know how, you'll never forget. It's like riding a bike. But that's up to you. If you want room and board and studio time.
Well, thanks for the offer still, but I want a normal job, you see it. Go and make my own money.
Well, all right. Suit yourself. Driver, escort this man outside for me, please.
Julius, here's your check.
Thanks.
You're doing a great job.
Okay, one sec. What are all these deductions about?
Taxes. Federal, state, Social Security. This is America. You better get used to it.
Hey, Mom. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Mom, it's Julius. Yeah, I'm here, Mom. I'm here and everything is all right. I'm working. I have a really decent job, you know, pulling in some... Well, did you get a second opinion? Mom, don't cry. Mom, don't cry. Now listen. By next week I'll get some money and I'll send everything to you, yeah? Mom, everything will be all right? Don't worry. Hey, your big son Julius has everything under control, man. All right? Yeah, okay, bye.
son. Woodstock, yo. Hit him with that. Why you give me that? Yeah, that's that new hot shit. That's that Woodstock. You better get that shit recognized, son. Take your time with that. I know you ain't used to handling that, but that's a $100,000 car right there. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you can get one of them and we get the tips together.
Or maybe you can get one of us. That's right.
But I doubt it. Shing, sling goes Miss Sword when Miss Swing. Try to test the king of the temples.
What are you doing?
Boss, I'm just finishing this song. 1 minute.
I got cars backed up out there. What? I got cars backed up. Get your ass out there.
What's this? What's this? What? You paying me anything?
Am I paying you anything?
I have to finish it. You know what? This shit. Quit, all right? Fuck that. Keep that. Shit.
Hey, give me your vest, would you?
Yeah, driver. Yeah, this is Julius. I want you to tell Rhino that I'm ready to pick him up on his offer. Yeah. Yeah, man. So I'll be waiting then. All right.
Boy, this shit look dilapidated. Well, this is where you'll be staying for a while. It's alright with me. Alright, let's go.
Dread, your victim is right around this corner. His name is...
Hold on, no name. I'll show me where it is and I'll handle the business.
All right, road boy. He's the one in the blue shirt. I'll go get the car, drive up next to him. You roll on the window and bust him, man.
That's fucked. Get the car, get ready for pull up for the escape. I'll go walk up and do my thing.
All right, meet you in the car.
You all right, Holmes? You all right? Huh? Huh? Hey, 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 hey!
Hey, you see? Whose 53 convertible was that on Hoover Street, Holmes?
Yeah, that blue one? That's just fucking tight, Holmes.
That feed me, Holmes?
Pablo, they fucking killed Salvador.
What?
Those fucking Mayates. One of Big's boys.
Those motherfuckers. Mira, Pablo, we need to get those putos tonight, yo.
Hey, thanks for the food, man.
No problem, Dread. Trust me, that was nothing. You see me? Yo, while he was in the bathroom, I spoke to Rhino. I let him know everything was copacetic. You see me?
Cool.
Trust me. I tell you what, you see tomorrow, I'll be here to pick you up first thing in the morning. And I'll take you to meet Big. Yeah.
I'm here right now, ready for bust the place. You see it?
What you plan to do, Dread? Spend the whole rascal day in bed? Rise up.
The bumbo clock I go. How you get in? I know who the fuck is this.
On the range. Biggs' cousin. Now, if you done asking your questions, hurry your ass up, because we got to roll.
Just let me get a shower, and I'll be ready to roll. The bumbo clock out on with you.
Come on. Like you don't use the rise on the cop crew.
Take your time washing them nuts. I know them hoes you had over here last night.
Hey, all right, how you doing? Hey, all right, yeah. What's up? Got a cool one ready for it? Oh, yeah. All right.
I'm loving this shit. We making it good. We got ready to get.
Man, I'm gonna tell you, I'm so ready to make a move on this Biggs motherfucker, man. It's not even funny. We just need a little more evidence, and then it's on.
Well, shit. If Officer McDaniels infiltrates the whole operation, we'll have all the evidence we need to take him down.
Yeah, I think so. You know what? Let's make a move, man, before they make us.
Oh! Damn, Biggs, man, pass the ball! What the hell are you doing?
Don't you ever raise your voice like that in Biggs' crib.
Yo, Biggs, your boy's here. So this nigga think he gonna be the next Bob Marley, huh?
Something like that. All I know is he used to be a hell of a hitman. They say back in the day he could shoot a tick off a dog's dick.
I guess we can always use somebody else on the team.
Yeah. As long as he stay loyal. Because if that motherfucker ever turn on me, I'll kill that motherfucker. Now let's go see what this motherfucker talking about. Where's Lorenz?
I drop him off by his girlfriend's house. Yo, Biggs. This is what I was telling you about. Me, Julius.
So you're Julius?
Yeah, man.
This is my associate, Slick.
Bless.
I heard about that job you did the other night. I'm impressed. Them damn Mexicans getting my loot, and I can't have that.
Respect, you know?
Look, I heard you pretty tight on the mic.
You know, I do my thing, you know? Just want to finish my CD, you know? Blow up the place. Live fat like you. No, I mean like, you know, rich, money, you know?
Yeah, I might be able to help you in that department. Studio calls, production time won't be a problem. Although, I will have more jobs for you to do. So you can make a whole lot of loot.
Whatever is necessary to finish the CD, you know?
Yeah.
says like a lunch, you pick up the girls in the intro. Smile, pretty girl, show your dimple. Baby, love is not the first time that I'm seeing you. Free you of this thing I would be giving you. Early in the morning, I will be loving and be beating you. All because you're the love of my life, girl. Let me have your love, never will be a problem.
Bombo clot.
You like this, huh? Well, this is where it all goes down. I done made a whole lot of motherfucking Skrilla up in here.
Never seen a studio as big as this one before.
Well, you better get used to it. Cause you about to be body. Yo, lock the studio out for Julius.
Got you, big dog. Yeah, can see it now, you know? Some honest work, you know, lay down some wicked tracks, send it on the streets. In a couple of months, I can send a gold record to my mother, you see it?
Did this nigga just say go? He didn't just say go, did he?
Same shit wide open.
We don't talk like that around here. Ain't nothing but platinum shit coming out of here. Ain't that right, fellas?
What I say?
Platinum, baby. What I say? Platinum. Only platinum. Platinum. Let me hear you say platinum.
Yeah, man, we hear you, you know?
Platinum.
Yeah, man.
Platinum shit only.
All right, you know? Yeah, man, Julius stand corrected. So on the platinum we erecting. All right.
Hey, yo, hey, homie. What's going on, baby? Let me get a deal, homie.
What about the money from the last time?
I told you I was gonna pay you, man. I got some money coming. I'm gonna hook you up. I said I'm gonna pay you. I'm gonna pay you, man.
Fuck here. What? It's a fucking business, right? You Yankee boy think this is a blood clot joke, eh?
I got to.
I need the fucking money to run my business. What don't tell me shooting at your bum clot, you know, boy. Give me them shoes. Give me them shoes.
The shoes?
Shoes, fast. Hurry up, man. Hurry up.
Here, man. Here. This $2, man. You want to see here? Here, you want a sock? You want a sock? Okay.
Come on, money. Come on.
Motherfucker, boy. Stay bomb, dog? All right. Thanks, player. Bitch ass motherfucker.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Wait, don't I know you from somewhere?
Yeah, earlier today at Dig's house.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
So, what are you doing around here? Do you live here?
You know, kind of like that. You know, I'm getting a late night snack.
You're eating that?
Yeah, don't have a choice, you know. I don't know where to get a good meal. I'm new in town.
Really?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
China.
Real. Where are you from?
Kidding, I'm from Jamaica. Can you hear the accent?
I didn't want to assume.
Yeah, it's always wrong to assume. So, gonna stand here and chat, or you gonna take me somewhere I can get a decent meal? Or is that a problem to your boyfriend?
And what makes you think I have a boyfriend?
Yeah, good-looking girl like you must have somebody checking her out.
See? Here you go assuming. And you assumed wrong.
Well, am I glad I assumed wrong?
So what do you want to eat?
Listen, you doing a good Jamaican restaurant?
Sure.
Welcome to Coley's, and let me inform you of the specials today. We have cow tongue, cow foot, rice and peas and chicken, curried goat, oxtail, jerk chicken. What will you be having?
I think I'll just have some vegetables.
Vegetables?
Yes.
And you, sir?
The lady will order for me.
Oxtail.
Oxtail?
You know what? And second, give me a jerk chicken.
Instead of the oxtail?
Right.
Okay then. Jerk chicken. I'll be right back.
Oxtail. What was up with that?
I asked you what you wanted.
Yeah, you did. Never mind. Yeah, I'm more interested in the beautiful lady sitting across from me. So, Miss Shawnette, tell me a little bit about yourself.
What exactly do you want to know?
Well, you know, your last name would be good.
Bullock is my last name.
Well, Shawnette Bullock. What do you do for a living?
I am a full-time student studying to be interior design. What do you do?
I'm a musician.
Really?
Yeah. I'm about to start recording with Biggs. So hopefully by next year I'll have a CD on the streets.
Wow. Well, Biggs has quite a reputation on the streets.
Really? Okay. Oh, you know, I don't know anything about that, you know. All I know is that he's interested in me, you know, to back my career, you know. So.
Well, that's great. So, when you get rich and famous, don't forget about the little people like myself. I'll come and decorate your mansion for you.
Yeah, but you see, that's something you're gonna have to teach me. How does one forget about you? I mean, how does, you know, how do you do that, really? You know? What? No, I'm serious, how does one do that?
Come on, out of class.
Just want something that goes fast, you know?
Let me show you this Lamborghini Diablo over here. Chrome 19-inch wheels, full sound system. And bitches see this, they gonna go crazy.
It's too flashy.
Let me go on and put you in this Bentley or Naj.
It's not me.
Not you.
This looks like my style. So how much is it?
Oh, this one's not for sale. This is mine.
Everything is for sale for the right price. Hello.
Julius, them goddamn Mexicans got the red.
What?
Yeah.
What?
I need you to take care of them motherfuckers and get him back.
Vénganse su liqueazo y vamos a buscar las rucas, man. Ahorita lo tengo listo. Simón, loco. Están echando la mierda.
Where's Lorenzo?
No sé, mátame, güey, porque no estoy sin nada, yo muero siempre.
Never mind. This shit harder than it has to be.
Don't shoot me! No! Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't! Ah!
Shut up, man. Come on.
Who the Mexicans, man?
I went to see the Lord. I want to propose a toast.
And what exactly are we toasting to?
We're toasting to us. Yeah? You know, we've been together for a while. For this while. I've been thinking. If you'd accept my offer in marriage.
I don't know what to say. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
Say yes.
But it's so soon.
Come on. Say yes.
Yes. Yes, Julius.
That wasn't so hard, no, was it? Sorry. Oh, shit.
Where are you going?
Biggs needs me. I'll be back in an hour or two.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning.
Honey, all right? And it's work. I said I'll be back, all right? How well do you know these guys?
Oh, you got jokes. You just saying that because my last crew got shot up. No, this dude's cool. Earl and I was locked up together in the pen, and you know, he looked out for me, I looked out for him. We cool people, man. It's a little country.
I really don't feel like shooting anybody tonight, all right?
No, that's cool. I understand. No, that's understandable. Get in the mood, nigga, 'cause you might have to shoot somebody tonight. What's up, Earl? It's my dog.
Yo, put out, nigga.
What's up, boy?
What's up, baby?
It's all good, man.
How you doing, man?
Just cooling, man. Just cooling. You looking good, boy. You blinging like a mug, boy.
Yeah, shit.
Damn.
Just trying to stay on top, baby. That's all. You know what I'm saying? Trying to stack some cheese, baby. That's all.
I ain't mad at you.
That's all. That's all. This is my boy Ray.
Ray, what's happening, baby? All right. Yeah, that's cool.
This is my boy Slim right here.
Slim, what's happening, man? Got some quiet motherfuckers. All right, that's cool. All right, let's have some business.
Hold up. Who just on that head ass nigga back here? I don't know that nigga.
Come on, man.
What's up with that?
Hold up, nigga. Don't check me. All right, that's my people. All right, you brought them 2 Bronco Billy niggas. I brought my niggas. It's all good. Let's go. Let's do some business. Take your mind off that.
Cheese, baby, count it. Count the cheese, baby. It's all left.
What for, baby? Come on, man. Handle your business.
Take care of yourself. Stay on top.
All right. I would say watch out for the cops, but y'all niggas need to watch out for them engines. What you talking about? Count it, baby. Come on now. We 2 criminals in prison. We go way back. We were cellmates. Wait a minute. Now that I think about it, nigga, you stole my toothpaste. Count this. Come on. Help me count this. No, nigga, help me count. Damn. I forgot. That nigga stole my toothpaste. I forgot about that. Earl, you owe me some toothpaste, man. All right, so...
Driver, put your hand on the steering wheel with ABC.
Oh, shit. Nigga, I got warrants. What you talking about? Calm down. You better show your hands.
What?
Nigga, this ain't Jamaican. Put your hands on the gun.
Is this your car? Yeah, except the left speaker, but everything else is mine.
You have a license and registration with you?
All right. Officer, could you tell me why I'm being pulled over?
You're not wearing your seatbelt.
I'm wearing my seatbelt, though, officer.
It's a good thing that you're wearing it. Very good.
Officer, can't find the license. I must have left it at home or something.
I see. I'll tell you what, why don't you step out here, we'll get some information from you. Come on out here.
You just need him, though, officer? That's it?
You step out that side over there and see my partner up there on the sidewalk.
Hello?
Hi.
Julius, where are you?
Baby, don't get upset, but I'm in jail.
What?
I had a little spliff in my ashtray in my car. I didn't know marijuana was such a serious offense over here.
What were you thinking?
Sorry, Empress, but look, I needed to come bail me out. Look under the bed. There's a box with some money in. Take $1,000 out, come down to the Rampart Division and come bail me out, okay?
All right, I'll be right there. What were you doing out at 5 o'clock in the morning?
I was looking for something to eat.
Don't lie to me. Were you with some bitch?
What?
Were you with some bitch?
No, Empress. I was handling some business.
Where did all that money come from?
Biggs gave me the money as an advance on my record deal, all right?
And so did he give you this too?
Okay, listen. I'm going to be honest, all right? I haven't been straight up about my past. When I was a youth, I did a lot of bad things, all right? Stolen cars, I've done them. You know, robberies. Done all of that. But, you know, when you're 15 and hungry, there's little you can say to me. You know, you're judging me. How long have you gone without food, really? You know what it's like to be 2 days hungry and not know where the next meal is coming from? 3 days hungry, 4 days? You know what it's like not to be able to look towards your mother because she doesn't have anything whatsoever? 9 years old and you wish you could work and feed your own mother? You know what's that like? You don't, do you? That's how I came up, all right? So I had to do what I had to do, all right? I didn't have the luxury of somebody taking care of me while, you know, I educated myself so I can have a fancy job and work and all of that. Had to be a man at 8 years old. Okay?
You know what, Julius, I may not ever understand what you went through, but I cannot marry a drug dealer.
Shawnette, I'm getting out of it, all right? I'm getting out of it. He gave me this as an advance. He said, you know, I could make some quick cash off of it. I don't even want it. I don't even want to be close to it. I don't even know what to do with it. I'm about to tell him, you know, to just leave me out of that part of the business.
Yeah, so Biggs is a drug dealer, huh? I thought he was a record producer.
Is a record producer. Shawnette, you don't understand, man.
No, I do understand, all right? You and your thug-ass friends are drug dealers. Now, what are you going to tell me next, that you're murderers? No, you know what? Don't even answer that, because I don't even want to know.
Man, you need to slow down with that stuff.
Man, that goddamn Biggs is stressing me out so much.
Oh, I want Biggs just as much as you do, but it sounds like you got something personal against him.
Who is it? Right. Open the door.
Julius need to talk to you.
I heard about that little trouble you had last night. You didn't tell him anything about our operation, did you?
No, it didn't even come up, you know. Just have me on some possession of marijuana charge, that's all.
Ah, that ain't shit. I got a lawyer that can take care of that.
Listen, really need to talk to you about something important.
Good. Because I got something to talk to you about, too. You speak first.
I'm really grateful for the things you've done for me, but right now, gotta stop, you know. Gotta get out.
What? You saying you don't want to record no more?
I'm not talking about that, Biggs. I'm talking about the drug pushing, man. Killing, you know. Just can't do it anymore. You know, I gotta do music. That's what I do best.
Well, that depends on who's judging.
Biggs, a woman is closing in on me. I don't care what anybody says. She's important to me. Right? Right now, I don't want to lose her.
Let me tell you something. Bitches come a dime a dozen. I bought you a house. You got a fly-ass car.
Money isn't everything. Right? Man has to do what comes natural to him. Right now, I should be touring the world, man. Should be performing.
Not now, Julius. I need you, Julius.
What do you mean? How much longer?
Brown hooked up with some Colombians. They about to drop 500 birds my way. Do you know how much that's worth on the street?
Yeah, it's a lot.
You goddamn right a lot. At 18,000 a pop, that's 90 million. I don't care how many records you sell. You got to sell forever to make that kind of loot.
Son of a bitch.
Sounds to me like we got that low-life bastard.
When he makes his move, we'll make ours.
Oh, yeah, Biggs is going down. And I'm gonna personally swallow the key.
Woo, boy. That food was gooder than a mug.
can't understand how you had chicken with waffles, yo.
Yeah, well, your ass understand if he had some jerk chicken and waffles, would you?
Think you're a blood clot comedian.
You know I got jokes. Hey, man, what's this I hear now? Big said something about you want to quit or something.
Hey, no, I'm not here to live a life of crime, you know what I'm saying? I'm a musician. To do my CD, release it, bust the place like Bob Marley, you know? Because, man, I have mad dreams about mad criminal, the magazine doing mad things with girls better than Marilyn.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Soon I can sell my mother a gold plaque or a platinum plaque, you know?
You better want to settle for plastic plaque, nigga, because I heard your music. I know you want to laugh, nigga. Don't act like you won't bug me. Let's shoot you, baby. Yeah. Damn, that looks like Rhino. That is Rhino. Wait a minute. He's supposed to be doing some work for Biggs out of town, man. What's he doing?
Who are those two guys he's talking to?
Ain't that about a bitch?
You have done well. Hey, check this out. There is more where this come from.
Yeah,
see?
Hey, looking out.
We'll get at you, all right?
Oh, hell no. Fuck that. Hell no. I'm about to handle these niggas right here.
What?
What? What the fuck? What? That's some niggas that robbed me, man.
Listen, if Rhino is talking to these guys, it means Biggs have a bigger problem. There's a bumbleclad rat in the camp, man.
All I know is we got to handle this. Man, them niggas, man, we got to handle these niggas, man.
Calm down. Let's chill out, all right? Biggs will handle stuff, all right?
Nah, man, we can't wait for Biggs, dog. My neck is on the line for this. Man, this niggas tried to kill me, man. Man, we got to handle these niggas now.
Nigga, I killed like 12 of them. Nigga, what? Oh, cracking up. Oh, yeah, nigga, right.
Oh, yeah, remember me, nigga?
Nigga, you got me fucked up my twin brother, nigga.
Oh, it's your twin brother?
Yeah.
Oh, you said the wrong nigga.
Oh, goddamn, nigga, what the fuck you
Get that to your twin brother, nigga.
Oh, God.
I'm gonna ask you this, man. What's your business with Rhino, man?
Nigga, Rhino, nigga. You gonna shoot a motherfucker be out, nigga, that's gambling, nigga.
I'm gonna ask you this one more time, nigga.
Oh,
did Rhino hire you to rob me?
I got a daughter. I mean, I was just doing it for my daughter.
Shut up!
All right, nigga.
Damn. These niggas, man, you making things hard. I mean, I'm good at wounding niggas, but I can't kill them, man. Damn.
Oh, shit.
What should I do with this nigga, man? Hey, Luke. Don't get the money, man. Julius, wait! Don't leave. Julius. Hey.
No. Him and the dread killed the Mexican that was supposed to kill Biggs. So what happened to you? When is Crown gonna be taken out? Well,
I'm gonna do Biggs myself. Big is a done deal. I just want to find my job. Later, man.
Yo, Gargon. Come here. How are you going?
With what?
You me come check Selena King.
For what?
After the meeting one night, Virgin, the man him come back and tell me.
My youth, I'm tell you something. Stop sheer turf. Yeah, I get a full slice of the cake. A time for me get my bum buckler at one and I not take no shot.
So if I kill that thing.
Yo, my youth, is either me, myself, and I are your blood clot. Pussy. You say you go to hell and see the devil where your maker. Just blood clot make him know say me do this to you. Pussy. And nobody else. You never know say you go dead. Pussy. You're dead. Pussy.
Run your ass, boy, shock you with that no maker. Run your ass, boy, pop you with that spirit. Merciless with, murder you for less with. Burn up your flesh, that's where you learn if it's test. Bullet burn through your vest, then turning on your chest. How you think young girl turn when you say against the best?
Yo, I come in there for my danger lurking, looking and searching, ready for hurting. Clock squirting for certain, for my enemy's curtain. Different methods and versions, wrapping your head up like a fucking turban. Your body leaking, pull on like
y'all know what we're about to get into. If things go sour, Julius, shoot the damn place up.
Your blood clot, your boy.
Biggs gonna kill you, man.
Not before I kill you. A matter of fact, Biggs is a dead man too, you know. And Gargon gonna kill Crown. Then we will rule all territories.
Fuck you, nigga.
Shh. You look like you have a problem breathing. I just gonna help you, boy.
I love you.
Okay, Mr. Julius, you're gonna do this CD, make a little history. Oh man, it looks like a prison picture, man.
come on, this is for the ladies, man. You gotta do something sexy. This is your CD cover, come on. That's what I say.
Baby, could you answer that for me?
Hey, he says it's important, something about one of your prized possessions.
Hello. Yeah. Hold on. I just need to step out for a while.
We as a Rasta boy. You think so you can go to America and kill the man them? Fuck up the plan to the wealth and power and rule? Well, you better think again to blood clot. What me say?
So, listen what is going to happen. Crown is going to kill you, and I'm going to piss on your ass grave.
Why? That's not a nice thing to say to Rhino, you know. Because when you left Jamaica, you leave something very wonderful behind.
What's that?
You want to hear for yourself?
Julius, don't somebody going to kill you.
I never know so you have such a beautiful mother. I wonder what she would look like in her grave.
Pussy, no, I'm going to kill him a bumbo clot self for that.
Hey, hey, sound almighty, fighty. Hey, hey, coming rough, big and tough check. Hey, kill, why you will. Kill, come for kill. Come for kill.
Driver.
Oh, yeah. No. You have to treat her gentle, yeah? You don't have to slam the door so hard, man.
Driver, you're a driver, one. You coming out of the car now, man. Me in a rush, man. Hurry up.
So I mean, we have some honest on about to not take plane. I kind of no use. All idiot. Man, fed up. So where you coming from?
Driver, hurry up and drive the car. Now. I'll try to reach Trenchtown. Come and move now. I come from L.A.
L.A.? You know I have a friend living in L.A.?
I'm cussing a bad one. You want me cuss a bad one and go on, but start the engine and make we go on, man.
She named Julie. On your knife. Pick a knife. What do you?
Missy, come on, it's 2 days now you're here, and you haven't eaten a bite. You can suit yourself. But as soon as Julius is dead, you're free to go.
You see, if you'll kill me, I bet you'll kill me if I'm no. Because the race is not for the swift, you know. But who can endure it?
I say you want it? Well, all right. I say your brown buckler want it.
Now you, no gun. Pussy, if you're gonna shoot me, I bet you shoot me. No!
Which part of them have my mother?
Yeah, that's my boss.
So which part of them have my blood clot? Mother!
Don't listen, boss.
Boy, you look nice, eh? A long time I know you, you know. A long time I would like to get near to you. We see how your son. Your son wasn't so bad, you know. Who? Probably could have been him stepfather.
Give me a gun, give me a gun, give me a gun.
No. I wish you had
Woman, just call me.
Oh, God.
The boy like a woman.
Please. God. Oh, God, Julius.
Go.
Oh, Julius. Oh, Julius.
All right. Yeah, I'll be there. Yeah, I have all the information.
Hey, baby.
Hey,
Who was that?
nobody. It's the wrong number.
Where's Mama?
She went upstairs to lay down. She said she had a headache. I hope you don't mind eating takeout tonight. I have something I need to take care of.
What's so important?
Nothing. Me and some of the girls are gonna go take a Taibo class.
Oh.
As a matter of fact, I better start getting ready to go. I need to get a spot in the front.
Wait, baby. Have fun, okay? But don't work too hard. Don't want you losing all of that, okay? I'll be here. I think I'll turn in early.
All right, guys, this is serious business, all right? There's no room for mistakes. Now, I need 2 guys guarding the dock, and I need 2 guys on the bow of the boat.
And you 2 guys stay back half in case he jumps and decides to swim.
You got that? Yeah. Good. Let's get ready to make a move, guys. Let's do it. Yeah, Biggs.
It's 8:05. Where the fuck are you?
I'm right here, man. I'll be on the boat in a minute, okay?
It ain't like you to be late, Julius. Don't fuck me.
Listen, man, why would I do that? I'll be on the boat in a second. Yeah.
Freeze!
What the fuck are you doing?
I thought you said you were going to bed, Julius.
Listen, okay? This is not the place for a fucking domestic dispute. Just give me the gun. What?
You're under arrest.
You can't be a fucking...
Fuck Julius. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Look at that, police! Freeze, you piece of shit! I wish I could have step close.
y'all can't hold me.
Give me your fucking hands. Give me your fucking hands. We got a little meeting downtown, big boy. Let's roll.
This is the final call for all passengers on Flight 527 to Rio de Janeiro. Hi. I need to see some identification, please. Thank you. Enjoy your flight. You may board.
Won't you mind time?
Show shot.
Music Mid Production.
You been done it again, baby.
Youngster, the dog, old youngster. Snoop Doggy Dogg.
Show shot.
Won't you mind time? One crew.
So funky, so quick and so fast. You know, let's do this motherfucker, baby.
Touchdown. You bounce, jump up to get beat down. Let them over flossing, regulating the town. Money ain't a thing we have a feet on the ground. Ladies gather around.
Yes, yes,
I
yes.
on up in me house, just the money when me want. Ready to blast the enemies as them advance. Flossing from Jamaica to Long Beach North. Smoking marijuana, sign in autograph. Food, progress, bad mischief, I feel laugh. One like them tough when we check it, them soft. Fuck with yard man, you get your damn head cut off. Here times to 45 a bar. Sugar in buses, stand up, peace and what? Do that. Yo, Snoop Doggy Dogg.
Now, first things first, I need to kick this off. I got some shit on my chest, I got to get this off. Big dog, yes, y'all, you can call me the boss. Gang bang, do that thing and make my niggas see walk. Now, talk to me for a second, holla at you this off. We can smoke a little weed and break a few balls. Shoot up the place and play it cool on the wall. It really don't matter, cause I'm down for it all. Yes, yes, y'all. The north side, bitch, and the music meant we about them chips. Dip, dip, y'all. In the house, so put your guns in the air and put this in your mouth. I turn it out no matter where I'm at. And that's an actual fact. Blunts back to back, and I'm keeping it real. Eating meals in the hills. Big fat deals. Driving brand new trucks with them big fat wheels. Making hits out the house. Motherfuck some reels. My life so plush. My dreams fulfilled.
The big dogs rockin'. The dogs are in the house. Wave your hands in the air like you just don't care. The dogs are here, you should have some fair. The big dogs rockin'.
Show shot.
The dogs are in the house.
So funky, so quick and so fast.
Like you just don't care. The dogs are here, so you best beware.
I stepped up in a joint full of diamonds glistening. Haters is mean mugging, and the honeys is listening. They wanna stare hard, but ain't nobody dissing. Cause period point blank, I'm still northside, sipping lace from head to toe. Blued up, squatted on 22, I done moved up.
You know.
I'm probably hotter than you, that's true, cuz. Pills, I swallowed a few, thought you knew, cuz. Oh, goddamn, did that nigga show shot? You know that down little homie, that blow big dope. Plus I stay with large cheddar, and my credit is platinum.